Maggie here. I'm going to talk about a different type of hinge today for your spine. This is called a stacked system. Some people know it as stack the deck, stacked system. It's just a different type of hinge. It consists of 3 pieces, but you can add more if you want to add more pages. So you have your 3 pieces cut according to your instructions, and the first one you're going to score 2, 2.5, 3, 4 1/4, 4 3/4, 5 1/4. Your second one and third one, the other 2 small pieces, you're going to score at 1/2 inch each long side. Score 1/2 inch, turn it round, do the other 1/2 inch. That way you know it's very accurate. Another one here, 1/2 inch down here, turn round, 1/2 inch here, and that's your basic folds done. So as with the concertina or hidden hinge, for my base here I've actually scored 2 1/2 inches, 2 1/2 inches, and they're going to create mountain folds. So we'll start as always creasing from the middle out, middle out, fold it back on itself, middle out, turn it round, turn it round that way, middle out, and then that one will be a valley fold, so we'll fold that there like that, and you can see that you're left with a piece like this. These are the bits that will stick onto your covers, that will be in your spine, and these are your 2 outer spine flaps. The first thing you need to do, as with the other spine, is stick the mountain fold so it's firm. Your double-sided tape, put it down, burnish well, and burnish the other side as well. And just be careful when you're using glue guns, because sometimes you can have a little bit of adhesive that comes up on your mat and then it can pick up on a piece of paper later on. We'll stick the other side. Fold it over onto itself. That's it. Burnish well. Turn it over. Burnish well. So that is the bottom of your spine. They are your first 2 hinge flaps. The next one, I'm going to take your 1/2 inch, and centre out, and the centre out, and the same for this side. Centre out, centre out. So that's your next one, and that will fit into there like that. And then your last one. Now these are quite difficult to fold because you have 1/4 inch between each one. If you find it difficult, what you can do is place a ruler along the edge of the fold, just lift it up like that, and then you can score down and go like that. So you take your ruler, line it up with your score line, bend your card up. That way. So that is your 3 pieces prepared there. The next thing you need to do is find the centre point for each one.